Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Daslin, and today I'm gonna be giving you the best one-step wash day product that you will ever need. It's the most simplistic, easy, all-natural product that will save your life when it comes to washing your hair. This one product will cleanse and condition, will detangle, give you moisturize, anti-frizz, shiny, defined curls, and it is so simple. It's just one step, and it's actually the product that gave me these results right here. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. So let's get right into it. The number one product that I have as a staple in my winter routine right now is the Curl Quenching Conditioning Co-Wash by CurlSmith. I am in love. So I'm the type of person that doesn't want to have to do a 3 or 4 step process every single time I get in the shower. Sometimes I just want to wash my hair before I night out or do a quick clean in the middle of the week, and this is it. Basically, it's a cleansing conditioner. It's a conditioner that has cleaning and clarifying properties that are going to help clean the scalp, get rid of product buildup, get rid of dirt, excess oil, and essentially make all your other products work better, leaving your hair moisturized, non-frizz, shiny, and it's super easy to detangle. And let me just tell you, your hair is going to smell amazing. So the Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash claims no foam, no worries. Say goodbye to traditional foaming shampoos, which contain chemicals and soaps that strip the natural oils from your curls. This gentle, lightweight, yet hardworking formula removes buildup and dirt, leaving curly hair manageable, soft, and shiny, suitable for color-treated hair and perfect for detangling. And as you can see, it does not disappoint. These are the results right here. After a couple hours of drying, you get shiny, defined, no frizz. This product is it. So that is what this product claims to do. It's a 2-in-1. If you really want to think about it and take the extra step of having to use a shampoo out and then doubling your costs as well for curly hair products, which are already expensive, this is it. This product is super simple. And what I love about using it in the winter is that sometimes shampoos can dry out your hair after a week of already not washing it and it being extra dry. So going in with a conditioning wash is really helpful to revive your curls and bring them back to life. So my next favorite thing to talk about when getting into products is ingredients. This moisture recipe has mashed shea butter, reconstruction flour, crushed coconut, mashed avocado, torn sage and basil, and black pepper oil. Those are some of the highlighted ingredients. It also has rosemary, leaf juice, aloe vera, just a whole bunch of amazing products. And it does say to leave it on for 3 minutes. So once I start to feel that tingling sensation, that's when I know it's really working, and that gives me that clean, refreshed feeling. Also with the ingredients, as always, it's cruelty-free, no sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oil, DEAs, and it's vegan. So that is really good too. Another all-natural brand and product to add to your curly hair collection. And this product is actually very diverse. It's good for all hair types, color treated, non-color treated, so it can really help with any range and type of curl. If you guys are interested in checking this out, definitely go ahead and click the link in the description. I link the exact products so you guys can go and see for yourselves if it's something that you're interested in picking up. So this bottle you can really get anywhere. Sometimes you can pick it up in Ulta or on the CurlSmith website. It usually ranges from $20 to $25 depending on where you pick it up. Now, some would say that's a bit pricey, but if you're buying a shampoo and a conditioner, usually curly hair products, you're probably spending about $13, $14 per bottle. So if you're really thinking about it, it's around the same price, maybe even less. So it's a little bit more cost effective than getting 2 separate products. Here you're getting 1. Now you do get 12 fluid ounces. I do have to say I have a lot of hair and this product lasts me months. It says to apply generous globs. I kind of use the amount that I would use for shampoo, which is very little. Even though it does say no foam, it does tend to get a little foamy, or it does lather a little bit, and it does go a little bit, goes a long way. So I wouldn't worry too much about the price point or about how much you get. And last but not least is the smell. This is always important when looking for curly hair products. I do have to say that this smell is very distinct. It smells delicious, clean, refreshing. I can't put a name to it, I have to be honest. I would have to go with, but just think about what fresh sheets would smell like and fresh clothes, and then maybe that would entice you a little bit more. But it has a minty, like Listerine type of smell. Like it's very refreshing and just a little bit spicy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I apply this product in the shower to get these amazing results. With the CurlSmith Quenching Co-Wash, you want to apply a generous glob of this foamless co-wash into wet hair. Massage into the scalp and smooth through the ends. Leave on for 3 minutes. Rinse and reveal silky smooth, detangled curls. So in the shower, I'm not afraid to use a generous amount. Like I said, I do have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and massage this into the scalp, making sure I'm really getting into the roots. Then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it down to my ends. And what I also like to do is brush my hair in the shower. Now this product claims to be a detangler. It does help loosen any knots or kinks, so it's easier to get the brush going through your hair. After detangling my hair, I like to just smooth my fingers through my hair one more time, section it into pieces to make sure that every spot is covered. This product says to leave on for 3 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the product out and go ahead and style my hair outside of the shower. Alright guys, so I'm back and these are my results fresh out of the shower. I did go ahead and style my hair off camera. If you guys are interested in a full styling routine, my new one, definitely let me know in the comments down below. But today I just decided to do it off camera, and this is how my hair turned out. So this product is really simple. It is one and done. You can really do it in between your washes, or you can use it once a week. It is cleansing, it's clarifying, you feel it cleaning your scalp, so that way you don't have to be in the shower for an hour shampooing, conditioning, masking. It's really an all-in-one product. I also think it's really important to have a hydrating, nourishing mask slash conditioner in your winter routine, but this product does a really good job of removing the product buildup, removing excess oil, cleansing the scalp, opening up those pores, so then whatever products you use afterwards will really get soaked up into the hair follicles, into your hair shaft, and give your hair that nutrition that it needs. If you're someone that is a minimalist and really doesn't like having to buy 12, 13, 14, 15 hair products for each little different thing, look no further. This will save your life. If you're lazy and don't like having a 3-step process in the shower, this is your new go-to. If you need something that will give you a quick refresh in the middle of the week, or you just need to style your hair really quickly before a night out and need to jump in the shower and re-wet it, this is it. The CurlSmith Curl Quenching Co-Wash does not disappoint. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry. Of course, it's gonna be a couple of hours, but I'm gonna come back and show you guys my finished results. If you guys are interested in seeing more hair care videos like this, definitely go check out my hair care playlist. I have tons of reviews, styling methods, routines, wash days that you guys can go and check out over there. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by CurlSmith, but I just want to genuinely share any products that work for me and have helped me in my curly hair journey, and this one is essential. All right guys, so I'm back after a couple hours of drying. It really took me about 2 to 3 hours, but these are my finished results. Like, is there really anything else that I need to say? My curls are defined, intact, shiny. I wouldn't want it any other way. They feel soft, they feel refreshed. My hair is bouncy, it has volume, it's clean. And this was all with just one product. I find one good thing, I stick with it and I stay with it and I keep it forever until it doesn't work for me anymore. This one has been in my curly hair collection for a while, and I think it's really important to have those good, reliable quality products that are good for all hair types as well. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button and give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and it helps me help you keep bringing you content, reviews, styling videos, anything that you guys want to see. If you know anybody that is in their transitioning journey and needs a really simple, easy curly hair product, go ahead and share this video with them, to your friends, to your family. If you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm always posting new content, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video.